Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing a practical salad recipe with you that supports eye health and has a very high nutritional value. What does this salad do for the eyes? The carrot, green apple, parsley, and walnuts in this recipe are rich in vitamin A, lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for eye health. These components help protect eye cells against oxidative stress, support retina and macula health, may contribute to reducing age-related eye fatigue and dryness. This is not a treatment, but a supportive part of a balanced diet. Ingredients: 1 carrot, 1 cucumber, half a bunch of parsley, 1 green apple, a handful of walnuts, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. How to prepare: wash the carrot well and grate it. Wash the cucumber and grate it over the carrot. Wash the parsley thoroughly, chop it finely, and add it. Wash the green apple and grate it with the peel on. Chop the walnuts into coarse pieces with a knife and add them to the mixture. Add salt, black pepper, and olive oil. Mix everything well. You can store it in a glass jar and consume it anytime during the day. Consuming this salad 2 to 3 times a week can help you regularly intake nutrients that support eye health. Take good care of yourself. Don't forget to make small but valuable contributions to your body through natural nutrition.